Excuse me.
Yes.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Can I sit here?
Sure.
Am I late?
No, you're on time.
What is your name?
My name is Karuna.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Is this your bag?
No, it isn't.
Can we be friends?
Of course.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 blocks away.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's eat.
Shall we go now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will.